Today's lesson, 4.2, is found on page 157 of your big book. The title is Ratio and Rates, and our essential question, how can you write ratio and rates? So this whole lesson is about writing ratios, the three different ways that you can write them. A bird rescue group is caring for 3 eagles, 2 hawks, and 5 owls in their rescue center. You can compare the numbers of different types of birds using ratios. There are 3 ways to write the ratio of owls to eagles in the rescue center. Using words, 5 to 2, as a fraction, 5 to 3, as a fraction, 5 to 3, and with a colon, 5 to 3. They're read the same way every time. Ratios can be written to compare a part to a part to a whole, or a whole to a part. All right, and now we're going to see how exactly that works. Write each ratio using words as a fraction and with a colon. Owls to hawks. Well, let's go back up here. We have 5 owls and 2 hawks. So owls to hawks. Since it says owls first, we do the owl number first also. So 5 owls to 2 hawks. 5 owls to 2 hawks. 5 owls, colon, 2 hawks. So it's all of these mean the exact same thing. It's just 3 different ways of writing the exact same ratio. All right, let's take a look at another. Now we have eagles to total birds in the rescue center. All right, looking back up here, we have 3 eagles, but total birds, they didn't give us that. We need to figure that out. So we have 3 eagles, 2 hawks, 5 owls. So if you add 3, 2, and 5, you end up with 10 total birds. So this would be 3 to 10, 3 to 10, 3 to 10. They all mean the exact same thing. Total birds to the rescue in the rescue center, 2 hawks. All right, so total birds we figured out was 10. Hawks we figured out was 2. So 10 to 2, 10 to 2. That's essentially the entire lesson. Okay, so the ratio of owls to the total number of birds in the rescue center is 5 to 10. Explain what this ratio means. Well, this means that 5 out of the 10 birds in the rescue center are owls. So half of the birds in the rescue center are owls. Now for the backside. A restaurant sells veggie burgers at a rate of $4 for 1 burger. What rate gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers? Write the rate for 5 burgers using words as a fraction and with a colon. So 3 different ways. A rate, here's a vocab word, is a ratio that compares 2 quantities that have different units of measure. So basically it compares 2 quantities. That's what a rate does. A unit rate is unique in that it is a rate that makes a comparison to 1 unit. So in a unit rate, one of the numbers is always 1. Always. The unit rate for cost per veggie burgers is $4 to 1 burger. So we know the unit rate already. Each burger costs $4. Complete the table to find the rate that gives the cost of 5 burgers. Now you could probably do this in your head. If one burger costs $4, how many is 5? Well, we already know that's $20, right? Because 5 times 4 is 20. So unit rates are really important because they help us figure out what things are going to cost as we add more and more. All right. A veggie burger costs $4. So 2 veggie burgers cost $4 plus another $4, or 2 times $4, which is 8. Right? So the cost is for each veggie burger, if we have 1 veggie burger, it's $4. 2 veggie burgers, 2 times 1, is the same as 2 times $4, or $8. 2 veggie burgers equals $8. 3 veggie burgers is 3 times 1, and 3 times $4 is $12. 4 times 1, or 4 veggie burgers, is the same as 4 times $4, or $16. 5 veggie burgers is the same as 5 times 1, or 5 times $4, which is $20. Oh, and this should have been 5, sorry. All right. The table shows that veggie burgers cost, 5 veggie burgers cost $20, right here. So the rate that gives the cost for 5 veggie burgers is $20 to 5 veggie burgers. So that's the word way. We've written it the correct way for the word way of writing comparison unit rates. No, not unit rates. Rates. A unit rate is always compared to 1. Sorry. So this is the rate. $20 to 5 burgers. This is the other way to write this rate, $20 to 5 burgers, or $20 to 5 burgers. This is the 3 ways to write our rate that they've asked for. Okay, so let's continue practicing this. The rate that gives the cost of 3 veggie burgers. Well, looking back up here, 3 veggie burgers was $12, so we're going to write 12 to 3, comma, to separate them. 12 to 3 and 12 to 3. The rate that gives the cost of 4 veggie burgers. That was up here. We've got 16 to 4. 16 to 4, that's the word way. 16 to 4, that's the fraction way. And finally, 16 to 4 with a colon in the middle, and it's read 16 to 4, just like the word way. All right. Explain why the ratio $4 to 1 burger is a unit rate. Well, it compares, let's capitalize that. It's the beginning of a sentence. It compares dollars to burgers and shows the cost of 1 burger. This is the critical word, right? Or not word, but number, right here. 1. That is what makes it a unit rate. The fact that there's 1 burger. Okay. All right, I think we'll do the rest in class. Let's take a quick look at our notes. All right, unit rates. Rates and ratios and rates. Here's our notes. Use words. There's an example. 5 to 2 has a fraction. 5 to 2, I did it again. 5 to 3 has a fraction. 5 to 3 with a colon. 5 to 3. Those are the three different ways that you can write ratios and rates.